Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JVC GUMY Mini and I'm going to tell you how can easily change ear tips. At first we have to take out our earbud out of the case, and now we have to unwing the ear tip, as you can see, as it's here. Wait a moment, this one is more difficult than I knew. And now we have to pull it to our side with doing such a thing, as you can see. And as you can see, now our ear tip is removed. To take our ear tip back again, we have to take a different one, unwing as it's here, and pull it straight onto our speaker. It may be difficult for you, but don't worry. And now we are done, as you can see. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.